Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a brick chulha at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need bricks, clay, sand, and water. Next, choose a stable, level outdoor spot for your chulha, ensuring it's away from flammable objects. Begin by laying a solid foundation, mixing clay and sand to form a strong, even base for the structure. Now, let's build the walls. Start by stacking your bricks in a circular or square pattern, depending on your desired chulha shape. Apply a generous amount of clay and sand mortar between each brick layer to ensure a strong bond. Remember to create an opening at the front for adding fuel and a small vent at the back for smoke to escape. Once the main structure is complete, it's time for the finishing touches. Apply a smooth, even layer of clay plaster over the entire exterior of your chulha. This helps seal any gaps and gives it a neat finish. Ensure all joints are well covered to prevent smoke from escaping. Finally, let your chulha air dry completely for at least 3 to 5 days before its first use. For its first use, build small, gentle fires to slowly cure the clay and prevent cracking. Over time, you can gradually increase the fire size. To maintain efficiency, regularly clean out the ash from the fuel chamber and vent. This ensures good airflow and consistent heat. Also, for lasting comfort, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.